Waki Food House, sikat dito sa Rosario, Batangas, Barangay Alupay. Eat and drinks all you can sa halagang $198 at $398 kung gusto mo yung may seafood. At talagang mapapalabang ka ng kainan dito. Sa halagang $198 na lamang, hindi ka nalugay sa dami ng pamimilian. May mga dessert at syempre iba't ibang lutong ulam. At sinubukan din po natin puntahan itong Glass Walk dito sa Monte Maria. Ano nga bang update ngayon dito? Pwede na po kayang makaakyat at maglakad sa Glass Walk. Matatagpuan po ito sa Barangay Pagkilatan, Batangas. Sa magandang araw sa inyo mga kabotsog, sarap at tayo papunta ngayon sa Monte Maria. Titingnan natin kung anong update ngayon sa Glass Walk. Kauna-una ang Glass Walk dito sa Batangas na ginagawa. Sana makasalita tayo at maramdaman natin kung paano pakiramdam maglakad sa Glass Walk. Tayo. Kuha tayo ng maulam. Ate, tanda pa ako ng katay. Kami pa pa Monte Maria, ya kapatid ko.
Monte Maria.
Oo. Yan ang akin, tortang talaw.
Tortang talaw.
Sinatang pusit. Adobong manok. Adobong manok. Kinaway. Ginatang tilapia. Ihaw na liempo. Giniling. Adobo. Oh yan, tinola. Tinuguan. At ayan, tayo yung mag-uumagahan muna bago tayo pumunta ng Monte Maria.
Kahit ano daw, basta kung daw.
Oo, malaki. 1.5 bate. Oh.
Pinagbabawal na ito.
Pinagbabawal yan. Kasungit naman ang dalawang ito. At nakapag-umagahan na tayo at tayo didiretso na sa ating pupuntahan sa Monte Maria Glass Walk. Excited na. Yan, ang laki ng mga barkong aray. Ang galing kayang barkong kalaki, pwede ng pandigma. Yan, nandito na tayo sa Barangay Siniluan ng Batangas. At dito sa ating parting kanan ay may power plant o refinery. Ang ganda na rin ng view dito. Parang ang sarap mamuhay, manirahan dito sa tabing dagat. At andito na nga tayo sa Monte Maria at ang haba ng pila ng sasakyan. Tayo ay dito na lang sa gilid. Muna na lang tayo sa kanila. Magbabayad po tayo ng halagang 10 pesos pag motor ang inyong service. Sa halagang 10 pesos ay pwede ka nang pumasok sa Monte Maria at mapasyalan ang kanilang Glass Walk. Yun po ay pagmotor ang inyong service. At andito rin ho ang simbahan. Araw po ng linggo ngayon kaya ang daming tao. Mas maganda po kung ayaw nyo na masyadong masikip ay ibang araw po kayo pumunta. Pag linggo ho talagang daming pumupunta dito. At dito tayo magbabayad ng 10 pesos tapos hahanap na tayo ng parkingan.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
At ito yata ho yung capsule ni Bulma o cabin. Hindi pa rin tapos ang iba. Palagay ko ho ay mga 2028 pa ang gagawa ito para makumpleto. Napakatagal pa ho.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show.
At yun nga, hindi tayo nakakiyat sa Glass Walk. At tayo pupunta naman sa Rosario, Batangas. Kakain tayo kay Waki. Dito lang ho ito sa Barangay Alupay ng Rosario, Batangas. 198. Eat and drink all you can na. Kung gusto nyo may seafood ay 398 pesos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
May seafood for
Wala. Yung 198? 1,188. Ito ang plato mo. Ito ang gagamitin mo. At kung gusto nyo naman po ay pwede kayo magpabook ng inyong birthday party gaganapin dito sa Waki Food House.
Bochog, pangilan mo na yan?
5. Ay, mara.
Malima pa rin lang. Mamaya magpapanim ako sa puso.
Ben, pangilan mo na yan?
Hindi mo kaya, kainin niyo yan.
Happy Fiesta po!